Good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm excited to see more of you soon in morning meeting, which will start tomorrow. Thank you for your flexibility. Let's take a look at our learning today. Okay, we are still in week 1, and today is Wednesday, September 14th. We're watching this video first. This first picture is a link to all of our links that we'll be using today. I will also show you this every day. We'll show you your schedule for the day. Okay, I'll move myself up here. So this is an overview of what we'll be doing today. Every day you'll have the same daily tasks, the same daily job. Read for 30 minutes, practice your math, get some exercise, and keep your learning space organized and tidy. This is what we'll be doing today. These are your must-dos. They might have an assignment on Schoology, or I might just trust you to do your job as a student. The first job, or first class, is SEL, which stands for Social Emotional Learning. You'll choose a video or book from this library. You can click the link and it will take you to a digital library with books and videos. Then I'd like you to reflect, to think back. What is the lesson from this book or video? How do you connect to the lesson? I'm going to go back so we can see what it looks like in Schoology. It was the first item in our schedule. It's also number 1 here, SEL, Social Emotional Learning. This is where you'll show your feedback. If you can read this on your own, awesome. Otherwise, you can click this link and you can listen to my voice read it to you. You'll click this link to choose a video or book. I guess the website is waking up this morning. All right, class, so it looks like this is taking a long time to load. Let's skip ahead to the next item on our agenda. Okay. So hopefully that will load, and I'd like you to reflect. What do you think the lesson is from this book or video? How do you connect to the lesson? Have you ever felt this way? Why is this message important? You can respond any way that you'd like to show me your learning. Number 2 on our schedule today is social studies. We'll continue to learn about communities. Read through the list of ideas for learning experiences from me and discuss with your family. Come up with a plan for learning in your community with real-life experiences. Share your ideas about how you can learn within and from your community. Part of learning online this year is moving away from our iPads and learning outside in the real world in our communities. I'm going to click this button. And you will want to read this with your family, with your learning coach. Maybe that's mom or dad, grandma, aunt and uncle, whoever's watching you and helping you learn at home. My goodness, well, Google is being a little slow this morning. Hopefully it gets better today. Anyway, you'll see a list of ideas that you can use to learn at home, in your backyard. Here we go. Okay. So these are different opportunities to learn about social studies, English and language arts, which is reading, science, and arts. All of this is outside of school, such as volunteering with the food shelf, taking a field trip to the state capitol in St. Paul. Let's see, in science, you could learn more about phenology, read about Minnesota species, mystery dog. There's a lot of really cool opportunities for learning here. So I'd like you to take some time, read through this with your family, and come up with an idea of what you can do at home, away from your iPad, to continue your learning. I'd like you to share your ideas with me here in any way that you choose. Number 3, science, backyard phenology. Do you remember learning about phenology? You can re-watch this video for a review. This is the same video from yesterday. Your job, use the search bar on Epic to research an animal that lives in Minnesota. Maybe it even lives in your backyard. Then share. What animal did you read about? What did you learn? How do you think this animal will live differently in the winter? I'd like you to think about the animal that you research and share your learning on Schoology. All right, our last class for the day is sight word practice. The bingo board that you made before will help you with this assignment. You'll play sight word bingo with a family member. Choose 4 sight words to practice spelling. Write each word 3 times and then write a sentence for each word. Then you can upload a picture of your writing. Going back to today's links, if you get through all of the learning today that we just went through together, you'll watch a video or read a book about social emotional learning and tell me what you think it's about. You'll come up with some ideas for learning, real learning experiences with your family and your community. Review backyard phenology and research an animal on Epic. And practice your sight words. Those are 4 jobs today. If you finish your daily tasks and your learning today and are looking for a little more to do, you can always check out this list on the side. If you have any questions, please ask an adult to email me. You can also message me on Schoology and I can meet you on WebEx, or I can send you a message back to help. I hope you have a wonderful day.